A lot of users are facing this problem that the Life Q20 isn't working on Windows 10 or 11. It's connected through AUX or Bluetooth, but there is no sound, it's not showing up or not recognized as input or output option. Well, in this video, we'll try to fix this problem on your Anker Soundcore headphones. Now, why don't you just start with the basics, especially if you're using the AUX cable. Just go ahead, plug out your cable, wait for a few seconds, and then just plug it in properly. At the same time, turn up the volume from both your PC and the headphone's physical volume rocker. And don't forget to check if the sound is not muted in the browser that maybe you're trying to listen to music or stuff. Now, if you're facing this no sound issue, especially when you're Bluetooth connected with your Q20, just right-click on the sound icon, go to Sound Settings. Now first, before anything else, scroll down to More Sound Settings. Just right-click in this section and make sure Show Disable Devices option is selected. After that, look for your Life Q20's name. If it's disabled, right-click and enable this option. Press OK, go back to the top and make sure the output option is selected to Life Q20. And at the same time, make sure the volume is turned up. You can turn off mono audio for a better sound experience. Now, if you're using the microphone for meetings or call purpose, make sure Q20 is enabled for input as well. After that, your problem will be solved. If not, scroll down and it's recommended. In this Troubleshoot section, click on Output Devices. From this devices list, select Q20 for Troubleshoot, press Next, and then select Open Audio Enhancements. Close this section, and from this pop-up, make sure all these three options are unchecked. Go to this Levels tab and make sure to turn up your headphones audio if it's set to low. Just press OK. And you know what? All this process, your problem will be solved, but it's recommended after doing this process, just restart your Windows once. And after restart, when you reconnect with your headphones again, your no sound issue will be solved. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.